So most of our templates do come with online shops, but not all of them. So in this first video, I wanted to show you how to add an online store if your site did not already come with one. So I'm in one of my templates here that does not have a shop, and I'm in the editor. I'm going to go ahead and go to Add Apps. Then we're going to type in Wix Store. Click on Wix Stores and then go ahead and add that to your site. Okay, then you'll notice a few things here. It's still working. So it's going to give you this prompt. You can go ahead and add your products, but I'm just going to show you. It's going to give you this category page. It's going to add this little cart icon here, which you can actually go through and edit that as well. If you want to change the colors or the look of that, you can edit that here, your mini cart here. That's what's brought up. You can kind of go through here and edit that as well. I wanted to point out that I'm not able to go through, I mean, there's so many moving parts to the online stores. I'm going to give you the basics and definitely enough to get started, but I'll probably end up doing a full course on e-commerce and online shops. But again, I'm going to go through the basics. It's definitely enough to get you up and running. Um, Also this login now, so we might need to do a little editing on there. And you notice here it brought up that shop. So typically I'm going to go through my site menu. So right here, that shop page, actually it's in those store pages. So it's called category page. Back to the site menu. There we go, shop. So I'm going to just rename this with capitals since, or you can put shop accessories, shop hair extensions, whatever you sell. You can rename that. I typically like to go in here in my settings. And so again, there's a lot of different settings that I won't necessarily go into in this course, but I will in more detail in another course, but I definitely suggest that you just kind of poke around. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that header section. You'll notice in one of my other templates here, where is it? There we go, that I actually added a header to that shop page so it looks a little nicer. So you can do that. You can see that right here is this right here. So if you wanted to come in here and add a header to that. So once you add that to your shop, then when you come back here, you're going to have these. If your template didn't have the shop already, then your dashboard's not going to have store products or orders in here. But once you add that and you refresh, that will show up there. So that's really as easy as it is to add an online shop to your store. And then in the other videos, I'm going to actually show you how to come in here and manage those products and go through a few of the other settings, again, to get you up and running and starting with your e-commerce online store.